second people who are buying, what is it, like the second home buyers? Yeah. And so it's just seeing if, oh, are you sure it's stratified and not randomly selected?
I don't think it's simple random because he only chose from the group who had purchased investment property rather than all of his clients.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So according to the report, the average age of person buying a second home as investment property is 47 years. Assuming the national standard deviation was 5, a real estate agent wants to determine if the average age of those buying investment property in his area is different than the national average. He randomly selected 15 of his clients who purchased an investment property. Well, I feel like stratified, you have to have a strategy behind it, but he randomly selected 15 of his clients. It's either convenience or random simple, right?
Well, I guess because if he's just looking at that one group, he's not making it, then I guess it would be simple random.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It's just confusing because it's not he'd randomly select 15 of his clients, period. He randomly selected 15 clients from a specific group.
Who purchased an investment property and obtains the data shown. Okay.
But I might be overthinking it.
Well, this is actually pretty confusing. It could be either or, you know?
Yeah, that could be either one.
Is there a key? There's a key for this, right?
Yeah, I'm pulling up the answer sheet right now. My computer's just going a little bit slow.
Oh, Dr. Blake.
Okay, answer key. What question number was this again?
Number 2.
It's 2A.
Yeah, 2A.
Wow.
The researcher collects data from the population of second home buyers. It says that he randomly selects from his own clients. His research question is the average age of people buying a second investment property in my area different than the national average? So they don't actually say if it's a simple random sample or if it's a stratified. They just say he selects randomly from his clients.
Okay, so we were overthinking it. They don't even really care.
Okay.
No.
Well, that's not very helpful of them.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah. We could probably honestly say it's either or in this case. And just keep going with it.
So is the average...
Okay.
Hey, so next question?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Collect the data. Name at least one way the realtor could have randomly selected his sample. Oh, so there you go. So from that, pull from Excel. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. And
yeah.
Do you guys have any other thoughts?
Like, I guess he could just put them all in a computer program and have it pick them for him. Just randomly pick them.
Yep. Okay. Describe the data. Graph on a histogram. Sketch the histogram below or cut and paste your electronic copy. In a short paragraph, describe the data using at least 5 descriptive statistics.
Okay. So we need to go... Can we do a histogram? Do we need to do SSPS or can we just do it on Excel?
I think we can do it on Excel.
If you know how, for sure. You can. That's easier.
Okay, so let's do that. So 27. You guys already do this?
Yes.
Am I the
Oh,
only
that's
one
okay.
doing it?
I don't know. No, Emily's working on it. She's sick and has the flu and doesn't have a voice, so sorry guys. Won't really be able to hear her a whole lot tonight. But she's working on it right now too.
I don't know what happened. Are you guys still there?
I'm here. Are you there?
Yeah. Can you not hear us?
Anya? She's frozen. Now we lost her.
Oh, shoot.
Just invite her back into the call.
The histogram is that the bar one or the line one? The bar one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The line one is the QQ plot, or whatever it's called. Yay, you're back!
Yeah, you guys are breaking up.
Oh,
A
no.
little bit.
Not again.
So, did yours look like just like up, down, up a little, down, up, down, up a little, down, up, down, or did it have a specific shape?
So it came up to, so it was the first bar came up to 1, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 0. This is the one on the answer sheet. I'm just saying it because it's more correct. So then 2, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 4, then 0, then 4, then down. Is that what you got?
No, that's weird because the way it did it for me is it entered all the values. So maybe I should have used SSPS because it's just like this zigzaggy bunch of lines.
Oh, that's not good.
It doesn't have like a, because it's going from 0 to 70 on the one side, and then just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like the 15 to 15 for the, yeah, so that didn't work.
Gotcha. Yeah, that didn't work.
Was that
Okay.
frozen, or because you guys were frozen the whole time?
You were frozen, very much frozen.
Okay, what the heck? Everything else works until like we do the air hangouts.
It's so
Okay, if it
bad.
happens again, I'll just call you.
Okay, that works.
Okay. So what did I miss?
We were
Did
discussing.
you already make the history?
Okay. Okay, not much further.
What were you saying?
Did Jonya
Hello?
already make the histogram?
Anya,
Yes.
did you already make the histogram for this?
What?
Did you already make the histogram for question?
I don't have the computer. I'm using my iPad, so I'll do it later.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Yeah, it's just my husband took it with him to Utah.
Ah.
Yep.
So
I'm all by myself.
Since there are only, we can just move on then, because
Let's
it's
just
fine.
keep going.
So the check the requirements. Since there are only 15 pieces of data, what will you need to check?
So you would want to do. What would you check?
Would we want to make,
Just one.
since there are 15 pieces of data, what would you need to check?
Well, we'd want to make sure that it's normal, right? So we'd probably
Yes.
could look it up. The thing said when I watched the videos and I read the answer sheet too, just so that I could know what I was doing tonight. But it talked about making like a QQ plot so that you can see if it follows a normal pattern or not.
Okay. But can't you kind of tell that with the histogram because it will be bell-shaped, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's a one-tail. It's a one. Is it a one or two-tailed test?
Oh, what was the test again? It's just to see.
Okay, this is really confusing. I feel like it's not giving us enough information because it's not telling us what the average age. So how do we know?
Basically, I think this is a two-tailed test because let me just make sure. Because it's just asking, a two-tailed test just means anything that's not equal to the null. So if
Right.
it's
So,
above
but what's
or
the
below,
null?
the null is 47. Or
Where
not
did you
that's not the
find
null,
that?
sorry. So I found it in, according to the report, the average age of a person buying a second home as an investment rental property was 47 years. So what he's asking is that normal
But where was
for
that?
everywhere in the country? That's in
But where was
question
that?
2. It's in the question.
That's so weird. Let me see. Oh my gosh. I thought that it started on. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. So the null hypothesis is H0 equals 47, and then
Yes.
its HA is unequal to 47.
Yep. So
And
it's a
two-tailed.
two-tailed
Okay.
because it's just anything that's not 47.
Okay, sorry you guys, I'm brain dead. I was looking at only the page, and I was like, where's all the rest of the information? Like, why doesn't it tell us? How the heck are we supposed to figure it out if it doesn't even tell us what the average age is? Okay.
Are you back
Okay.
on, Anya?
So, Erin,
You
Anya, do
sound
you
really
want to just
garbled.
try giving us a call because you're not coming through very well. I'll get my phone. Oh, she called me. Yep, she did. She called, I just missed it because my phone was on silent. Oops.
Oh, shoot.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, you're on speaker. Whew, this is a rough one. Okay, so, and then,
So this one you had to find, all you had to do was find the mean, right? Of the numbers, of the 15 numbers.
yes.
And then you do that Z-score formula, right?
Yes.
Sorry, I gotta go get my calculator. Okay. Okay.
So what number are we on?
We are on Roman numeral number 4. You guys have Roman numerals on yours? Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Okay, so just to save time, do you have the mean of those 15 numbers?
Yes. 46.7. Oh wait, the mean. Do you want x or the mu?
Mm-hmm.
So I got 46.73
The x.
minus 47. Right.
Okay, so 46.73
Mhm.
is x. Okay.
Yeah.
Minus 47 divided by
Divided by
the
5.
5 divided by the square root of 15, right?
Yes, that's correct. Okay. So, did you come up with 0.2091?
Oh, I came up with syntax error.
Okay.
So you said divided by.
So you have 46.73 minus 47 divided by the square root of 5.
Okay, yeah.
And did you get 0.2091?
Negative 0.091. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, negative
So now
0.2091.
we have to put down the output.
Yes.
First section, and then of course, that's associate the appropriate area on the curve. Use a normal output to compute the area associated area to the value. Use the normal output to compute the area under the curve.
Okay, so I got to get the.
So just put the z-score in at the bottom. And we'll give you, did you guys get 0.8344?
Yep.
Perfect. And then for the next one, are you ready to move on? Is that okay?
Yeah.
0.8.
Are you okay?
What did you say? 0.8 what?
0.8344.
Okay, yeah.
So then compare the p-value to the level of significance. Do we reject the null hypothesis or fail to reject the null? So the level of
It's higher than the level of significance,
so
right?
that means that we fail to reject the null, right?
Yes.
If it's higher, we fail to reject it. Because if it's
Yeah.
super low, then we reject it.
Yes.
Okay.
State your conclusions in terms of alternative hypotheses. So basically, we don't have enough evidence to conclude that the age is different than the null that the man predicted. Yeah? You guys agree with that?
Agreed.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So what action, if any, do you suggest the realtor take? You would say he doesn't need to take any action, right? Because
He's
the numbers
doing good.
are correct.
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Are you ready to do the quiz?
Let's do
Yes.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully it's not 35 questions again.
It's 21.
21?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah, I have a meeting at 7 too, so
We'll
might-
just whiz through it. We got this because a lot of them will be easy. So
yeah,
Okay.
it shouldn't be too complicated. It shouldn't be too bad. So let's just go ahead and get going and see how much we can get done.
Okay.
the hypothesis test consists of two hypotheses: the null and the alternative. Which one is the status quo? The null, right?
No, yeah. Yeah.
The null.
Which involves equality, the null, right?
The null hypothesis again.
Yeah.
P-value is probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme. Use this to answer question 5. When computing the probability, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? The null, right?
No. Yeah.
Okay. And suppose the two-tailed would be the U is unequal to 10, right? 3, choice 3. And a left-tailed would be choice 1, right?
Yes.
Left-tailed, which one is that?
It's the one that's less than 10.
Less than 10, okay.
Yeah, because I just told myself if the point, whichever way it's pointing, that's the way, that's the direction, the tail.
I like that.
Wait, and right tail, oh, okay.
So if it's pointing to the right, it's a right-tailed test. If it's pointing to the left, it's a left-tailed test.
Okay, so the second one, an 8. An 8 is the second one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 8's the second one. The outcome of hypothesis test. Which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis? If the p-value is greater than A, less than A, greater than D, less than D. So we just, what did we do? Greater than...
Because if it's greater than alpha or it's greater than that sample, then we don't reject the null.
But isn't that the Z score that we just figured?
It's the alpha.
Okay, so they're just trying to trick us because the alpha is the Z score.
Yeah.
So, hold on, let me pull back open that preparation assignment. It's that very last question that we just answered. Remember how we decided that it was, the alpha was 0.05 and the p-value was 0.83. So because the p, like, if p is low, then we reject the null. Like, so
Okay.
one of the videos had a really good rhyme. It's like, if p is low, reject the null. So but because p is high, we fail to reject the null.
Okay.
Yeah. And
So which relationship would result in rejecting? It would be the opposite. P-value is less than A, than alpha.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Which one?
So for 9, it's A, or the first one, and then for the second one, for 10, it's the second one.
Okay, that's what I thought. I couldn't hear you guys.
Sorry.
No,
Okay. So then, let's see, 11. Julie said in Lyric, they believe the average claim amount was 1,500. They are concerned the true mean is actually higher. Which would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis? So that would be the average claim amount is greater than 1,500, right?
The average claim amount would be number 11.
Isn't it C, the third choice?
I think
Greater
so.
than 1,500?
The average amount is greater than 1,500.
Yes, that would be
Okay,
right.
C?
C.
Yeah.
So the third one. C.
C,
Okay.
yeah. Or yeah, third. Sorry, I just let her.
I do too. Okay.
So randomly selects n equals 40 claims and calculates a sample mean of 1,650.
Average amount is equal to, so the A, right?
Yes.
They assume the distribution is normal. Is this a good assumption? So yeah, because they've got 40 claims, right?
Oh, sorry, you're a question ahead of us. Did you do number 12 already, Kara?
Oh, yeah, sorry. It's greater than 1,500, right?
Yeah, we got that. We just want to make sure you did too. And this
Yeah.
one.
Oh, wait. What happened? My number 11 disappeared for some reason. That was weird. The appropriate alternative hypothesis would be it's greater. Appropriate null hypothesis is it's equal to 1,500. So 12 would be the first choice, 11 would be the third choice, right?
11 is the third choice, 12 is the first choice, and then 13 was yes? Is that what we decided?
I think so because it's more than 30, right? Isn't 30 the magic number?
Yep. That's what I think too.
So that would be the central limit theorem, right?
Yep.
Okay. And then which
the
is
second one?
Yeah. Which of the following is a test statistic as defined in this lesson? So that would be for the n, right? Because it's a for sure thing, the statistic. Wait. Let me think. Maybe not. Oh, it would be z. It would be the z-score, right?
Yeah, that's yes.
Yeah.
So it would be z.
Yeah. So the second one.
Yeah, the second one.
Okay. Historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is 150 with its average has increased. She sets up a hypothesis just fun. Well, that's wrong to begin with, right? Wait. The average has decreased. Decreased. Yeah.
No, let's just see if we can finish. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll hurry and do the z-score. So it would be 150. No, it would be x minus. So it'd be 144 minus 150 divided by 40. No, by.
Divided by. Let's see. We have 36 as our n.
But there's no. Oh, there's 36. Yeah, it's our n. So and the standard deviation is 40. So 40 over the square root of 36.
Sorry, Anya, what did you say?
Oh, sorry, I was making sure that the equation.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So did you get negative 0.9?
Yes. Did you get negative 0.9, Anya?
Negative 0.9. Can you repeat the equation? What we did?
So it would be. It's 144 minus 150 divided by 40, which is the standard deviation, divided by the square root of 36.
Okay, I thought for some reason. Okay, sorry, I messed up in the last one.
Oh, you're just fine. No worries.
144 minus 150 divided by 40 divided by 66. Yes, I got negative 0.9.
So now it's asking the p-value, so we need the applet, right?
Yes.
What is 17?
So number 17, you'll take the z-score and put it into your applet, and you should come up, I think, with 0.184. That's what Emily and I have.
Okay, yeah.
0.9.
184, yeah.
What do you have?
0.184.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay. What inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem?
So it was 0.05 was her alpha, right?
Yep.
So it's higher than the alpha.
Yes. So we would fail to reject the null, right?
Tell me the rhyme again.
So the rhyme was if null, hold on, let me remember it. I forgot it already. If P is low, reject the null.
If
Okay.
P is low, reject the null.
So if
So
it's
we
lower
fail to
than,
reject.
Yeah. If we fail to reject.
yeah.
Yeah. Two types of errors. Which one involves rejecting the null when the null is through? That's type 1, right?
Yep.
Okay.
A researcher
And-
decided that the study was of level significance. Which of the following is true? Higher probability of rejecting the truth.
So the probability, let's see. So let's see. If
So if it's lower, reject the null. Does that mean you're more likely to
if we want to decrease the probability of making a type 2 area, we would increase the level of significance. If we wanted to increase the probability of making a type 2, we would decrease. So the probability of making a type 2 will increase, right?
Yeah, I think so. That's what I have. The second one?
Yeah. Yep. Okay, so the probability is 0.05, right?
Yeah. So, yep.
Okay. Okay.
So 21 is
Can we check them?
0.05.
Should we just check them really fast?
Yeah, you have the answers?
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah, sounds like a great idea.
Okay, so we got true, true.
Can you repeat them to make sure I hear you,
Yeah.
Erin?
Yes. Okay, so I'll repeat the answers and then tell me if something's different, okay, Kara?
Okay,
Just so that Anya can hear what's going on too.
sure.
So we have, starting with number 3, we have the null hypothesis. Number 4, the null hypothesis. Number 5, the null hypothesis. Number 6, the third answer. Number 7, the first answer. Number 8, the second answer. Number 9, the first answer. Number 10, the second answer. Number 11, the third answer. Number 12, the first answer. Number 13, the first answer. Number 14, the second answer. Number 15, the second answer. Number 16, we had negative 0.9. Number 17, we had 0.184. Number 18, we had the second answer. Number 19, we had the first answer. Number 20, we had the second answer. And number 21, we had 0.05.
That's all right.
Okay, let's submit this thing and call it a night. And that's all. Yay! What is
Okay, what the heck? The 17 was 0.814, right?
0.184.
Oh my gosh, I swear I have to get
Oh no!
Even the applet, yeah, 0.184. Oh my gosh, the teacher's gonna hate me. Okay, well, I definitely have to let Devlin call him that.
Did any of you guys take the test yet?
Nope. No, definitely not. I'm going to study as much as I can, and then I'm going to take the test.
Yeah, that's what I need to do.
Have you already?
You know,
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're all done for the week with this at least, so we can now just
Yeah.
study and take the test. Hooray.
Yeah. Did you already take it, Kara?
No.
Nope. Okay.
No.
Cool.
No.
Well, when do you guys want to meet next week?
Should we try Tuesday again and see if we can knock them both out?
Tuesday, is that what you said, Kara? And then you said Monday?
Yeah, see if we can do them both since it won't be a test. It'll just be the two.
That's true. It'll be more simple. Not Kara, sorry, Anya, are you okay if we wait till Tuesday because he will have posted the notes for both of the quizzes at that point?
Okay. Oh, sure, yeah. What time is it? Because it works till 5.
I have class until 6:30 as well, so I couldn't do it until probably 6:30 or 7.
Okay.
Okay. So I probably need to start at 7, which would be 8 your time.
Can you do 8 o'clock, Anya?
I can, yeah.
Okay, let's do 8 on Tuesday.
Okay. And I'll have a computer, so sorry.
Yay! Oh no, this happens. It's just how it goes. We're all in this together, so no worries.
Okay. Alright, well, thanks guys. See you Tuesday.
Okay, see you Tuesday.
All right,
Have a good
sounds
night.
good. Good luck on the test, everybody.
Okay, don't forget to post on our little comment board. So we all get
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, thanks. Alright.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.